Hello guys, today we are going to be playing Clean Your Keycaps. I already started this. Wait, what? Oh come on, you got the basics up? Well, yeah. Ugh. I've been playing this game for like a bit, like a couple hours. And I've farmed a bunch of keycaps. Oh, what does this sound so good? That was so good. Okay. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, workers. There we go. Let's see what we get. No. Oh, come on. Is this just gonna be rage baiting me? No way. No way. No way. Oh, fine. I'll just use this. The best we can do. But I'm gonna keep it. Oh, what do people put burgers in? It's so disgusting. Oh, yeah. Gone? And more. Yeah. Disgusting. Oh, dang it. Put this here, and I'll put... Lovely, lovely, lovely. That was easy. Workers, get your butt up. There we go. What is this? Give me more money? What? Because I won't make another video. If this video gets, let's say, 20 views, I'll do another video. And then I'll become super like this guy. Damn, he's so good. I need to learn good soaps. There's lucky blocks. No, those are not lucky blocks. It's just boxes. Billion? 25 million? Oh! That was good. Wait, comment if that was good. Ooh. I don't want a crap. Matrix. So can dodge bullets. Get it? Yeah, I know. Oh. Okay, there. That's enough. Let's see which one's got it. Okay, come on, you got them like the worst ones. Oh, but they were I'm gonna roll for another soap. Holy moly. The keycap sponge. No. No, bro. Wow, game, you don't even know that I can't even get it. This game is just raging me. Okay. I'll use it. Watch this. You have to tap on each side of your stream. That was easy. Guys, you like my new avatar. Subscribe if you like my new avatar. Oh, it's close. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna fill it up now. Boom. We have 9x luck. No way. We just got finally something good. That was 1 in 4,000. That was pretty good. Okay, 80% used. 90. Wait, how much percent used? There. Hope you liked this video. It's a new game. If I didn't, yeah, that's why I decided to make a video more. Guys, please like and subscribe. Bye.